You've arrived in New York City. The energy surrounds you. You're ready to experience it all. Your first stop, a tour with Metropolis Tours, NYC's premier walking tour company. The best way to experience a place as vast and exciting as New York is on foot with a local guide. At Metropolis Tours, we share the energy, history, and excitement of the city with visitors from all over the world by bringing them into the story of the city. New York City is made up of over 8 million people, over 300 square miles, and over 400 years of history, each one with a story to tell. We are Metropolis Tours. Take a tour with us and be a part of the story.